So this is how to change the oil on a 12 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. It's an old tractor mower. What you want to do first is let it run for 5 minutes to get the oil flowing and let it warm up a little bit. And then this is the drain plug that you're gonna remove, and this is the dipstick. So what we're gonna do next is remove the drain plug after it's been running for 5 minutes. Be careful, the oil is hot. So just unscrew the dipstick and just let it sit on in the tube, and then using a 7/16 wrench just undo the drain plug, and careful because the oil is hot. Just remove it into a drain pan using a funnel. After it drained, take your plug, put some PTFE tape on it if you want. Snug it back up. You don't need to tighten it really hard. Just snug it down. And add your new oil. What I'm using is good quality SAE 30 oil. It takes about 1.4 liters or 1.5 quarts, and just add a little bit of it at a time and check your dipstick. So these are a couple of tips. You don't really need a funnel when you're pouring it in. Just take a pair of pliers and point out the end of the bottle. It's a plastic bottle, so it deforms easily. You can just pour it in like that. Also, to check the oil level, as this is a Briggs & Stratton, you have to put in the dipstick and screw it in all the way, and then take a reading. If it's a Tecumseh engine, all you have to do is just rest the dipstick on the threads. So this is the difference. Okay, so this was how to change the oil on a 12 horsepower Briggs & Stratton lawnmower engine. Hope this helps. Bye.